We haven't had an outbreak of foot and mouth disease. Well, the last one was back in the 1800s, so we really don't know how it would behave if we got it in. If we did get it in, it would have a huge impact on our trade. Our international markets would close down overnight. So that's where AIDIS has kind of been born out of, is to try and help us understand a little bit more how foot and mouth disease may spread and how best we can control it.
It's very contagious, multi-species, multiple pathways that it can be transmitted. So it's AIDIS, Australian Animal Disease Model.
We've been working on the project for 3 years, and it's been a very close collaboration between the Department of Agriculture and UNE at the University of New England.
The brief at the start of the whole project was we had limited computing resources, so whatever model we came up with had to function efficiently on a standard desktop computer. A lot of the innovation came directly out of the need to be able to run on a laptop. That it's very agile because it's small and tight and can rerun a scenario 1,000 times and get much better statistical convergence in the distribution of the outcome.
What really stands out with AIDIS is that it also has a very easy and nice user interface. So you can watch an outbreak or the disease spread in real time as it's playing out. So it's a really powerful tool to being able to not just understand the outbreak as it progresses, but as a training aid tool. As far as I'm aware, no other animal simulation model can do that. One of the keys for our success has been having a very clear idea of what we want, as because I work in an area which is, I guess, the interface between science and policy. So coming from a science-based background and knowing what the policy directives of the department are and what the needs of our chief veterinary officer if we got an outbreak of foot and mouth disease, knowing what sorts of questions he or she will be asking has been really important in developing the model.
The model was used in a United Nations workshop in Italy, all over Europe that got to use AIDIS, and so served as a nice informal validation of the model as well.